We have a serious problem here.
All right, everybody, lock the doors, turn off the lights, pretend you're not here.
Are we in danger?
Just, shh, everybody.
Michael, should I call the... What?
The IT tech guy and me did not get off to a great start.
What's up, everybody? Wanted to show you guys a quick little video on simple repair that really anything that has a DVD tray, sometimes the tape ejects, or definitely like the large CD player. This is a Sony CDP CX355 Mega 300 CD. It holds 300 CDs. I got this from 10 bucks, and what you will see is when I turn it on, powers up, and it makes this noise. You turn it off, same noise, blue light. So pretty much with any electronic, you can, it's taking a long time to shut up. We'll go ahead and unplug it. With any old electronic or new ones, there's definitely going to be a manual. And not only that, but you can always just Google. You know, what I did was I did Sony CDP CX355 making noise. And a bunch of different videos came up and troubleshoots. And the first thing that it said was you need to check and see if the belts that spin the CD drive are on, and they're going to be in this back corner. And so I go back here and I look, and lo and behold, there's no belts. So I'm going to show you guys how to take off the back and change the belts, and hopefully this will work, because this $10 item is about $170 on Amazon. So I'm going to go ahead and set the camera up on the tripod and then get to work. All right, hopefully that's good. We'll get it to the back here. So on the back of the machine, there's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 screws that you take off. Now the rest of these screws you don't want to take off because they're actually connected to the motherboard. And then also, if you look, you'll see that there's all these different connectors. Now they all only go to one thing, but what you're going to want to have to do is take those off, because you need to pull this back piece off in order to get to that corner. So I've already taken the screws off the back. They're right here. So I'm just gonna take these off. And then there's a push pin one for the actual power cord. So you just pull them off until you can get it. Probably that's going to be good, but we'll go ahead and take a few more off. There we go. All right. So as you can see, once we get in here, as you can see, there's 2 belts, one that connects here and here, and one that connects here and here, and both belts are missing. So what I've done is I went and got some really small rubber bands, and I'm going to put them on, and then we're going to see if it works. So as you can see, I've gotten the bands on now. Everything seems to be turning right. So I'm going to connect all the connectors to the circuit board. I'm not going to plug it or screw everything back together. I'm just going to connect it to where I can plug it in and see what we have. All right, get everything back in. As you can see, the little belt the visible one is on. And we'll go ahead and push power, and hopefully this CD tray should spin. That's a good sign. Green lights. It's looking for a disc. Nothing in there, so it's going to say no disc. We'll go ahead and open this up. Let's put a disc in. Close it. Everything should start spinning. Let's press play. That's always a good sign. Spinning. Track 1 is playing. So all it took was a quick Google search and two rubber bands, and now this is working. So I'll go ahead and list it on Amazon, where they sell for about $171. So again, I'm in no way a technician of any sorts, but instead of this going to my scrap heap, it is now going to make me money. What's up? Real quick update on the video I made. I ended up listing that on Amazon and it sold overnight, so I'll be shipping it out tomorrow. $171 in the bank. Boom.